Every breakthrough in history began with one simple decision: to stop thinking the way everyone else thinks, to step outside the invisible box that limits most people. Here are 3 powerful stories that prove why thinking differently isn't just smart, it's essential if you want to change your life, your business, or even the world. Let's start with something simple: the 9 dots puzzle. You've probably seen it: 9 dots in a square, and the challenge is to connect them with 4 straight lines without lifting your pen. Most people fail because they stay inside the square. The secret? You have to extend your lines beyond the box. It's a reminder that often, the only thing holding us back is an assumption we never even questioned. The box isn't real, we just believe it is. In the early days of Southwest Airlines, the company was struggling. Other airlines were bigger, richer, and more established. If Southwest had played by the same rules, they would have lost. But instead of looking at competitors, they looked at NASCAR pit crews, people who specialize in speed and efficiency. Southwest asked, "What if we treated planes like race cars?" That idea led to lightning-fast turnarounds at the gate, which saved millions and made them one of the most profitable airlines in the world. Sometimes the answer isn't inside your industry, it's outside of it. Great ideas don't care about boundaries. Remember Blockbuster? At its peak, it was worth billions. People thought it would last forever. But then came Netflix, a small company with a crazy idea. Instead of late fees and store shelves, what if movies just came to you? First by mail, then instantly by streaming. Blockbuster laughed. They thought people loved the old way too much. But today, Blockbuster is gone, and Netflix is a global empire. The lesson? If you keep doing things the way they've always been done, you risk becoming irrelevant. The future belongs to those willing to challenge the rules. In the 1950s, IKEA faced a problem. Shipping furniture was expensive and inefficient. Then one day, an employee tried to fit a table in a car trunk. It didn't fit, so he took the legs off. That simple act sparked a revolution: flat pack furniture. Customers could carry it home themselves, save money, and IKEA could scale worldwide. Today, IKEA isn't just selling furniture. They're selling a mindset that sometimes the biggest solutions come from the simplest shifts in perspective. So what do these stories tell us? Southwest Airlines teaches us that inspiration often comes from places we least expect. Netflix shows us the courage it takes to disrupt the status quo. IKEA reminds us that innovation can start with the smallest idea. Here's the truth: the box is only real if you believe it is. The world changes when people dare to step outside of it. So the next time you face a problem, don't ask, "What's the normal way to solve this?" Ask instead, "What if the normal way is the wrong way? What if the answer is out there, beyond the box?" If this message spoke to you, hit that like button and subscribe, not just for more stories, but to remind yourself that you are capable of more than you think. And tell me in the comments, what's one area of your life where you're ready to step outside the box?